really coming down tonight, huh? Looks like there's going to be a storm soon. Better charge my phone before the power goes out. Wait. Where's my charger? Hey, Rumi. Huh? Wait, they're not here? I thought they were home already. Not here either, huh? Where did they even go? Hey, oh, great, the power's out. Huh? Hello? Who's there? Rumi, is that you? Hello? Answer me, or else I'll call the cops. Damn it, no signal? Really? I said don't move. Wait a minute. Is that you? Oh, it is you. Oh, dear God. What the hell are you even doing in that corner? You scared the hell out of me. Hey, you okay? Uh-huh. Then why are you in the corner, shaking like a leaf? Are you afraid of the storm? You're kidding, right? Oh, you're not. Oh, shit. Here, let me hug you. Come here. It's okay, it's okay. No need to worry or be scared. I'm here. I'm right here. You're safe. Shh, 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 shh. It's okay, it's okay. You're okay. Have you been crying? Yeah, I can see the watermarks on your face. No, no, don't hide your face. It's nothing to be embarrassed about. All of us have things we fear, right? It's completely fine. Hey, it's okay. It's okay. I'm right here beside you. You're safe, okay? I won't let anything happen to you. Trust me. Just focus on the sound of my voice and try to take deep breaths to help you calm down. Okay? So breathe in and breathe out. Good. Now keep doing this until you feel you've calmed down. That's it. Good. Keep going. See? You're here in my arms. We are in here and the storm cannot hurt us here. Okay? What? No, don't say that about yourself. You are not pathetic. No, you are not. It's okay to be scared of certain things. Is this why you never told me about it? About your fear of thunderstorms? Because you were embarrassed? Aw, I'm sorry I made fun of you earlier. I was an ass for doing that. But you do not have to be embarrassed anymore. Okay? I'm here for you and I will never make fun of you for this again. This will be our little secret, I promise. Fine, I pinky promise. Jeez. Such a dork. But a cute one. I like it. Ah, so that got your attention off of the storm, huh? You like it when I call you cute, don't you? Uh-huh, sure. Deny it all you want. That blush on your face tells me everything I need to know. Fine, I'll stop teasing. Feeling better now? Good. Now it's getting late, so let's get you to bed and you should try and sleep. No. You don't want to be alone? Fine then. How about we sleep in my room? Yes, on the bed. I'll grab you an extra blanket. Hold on. Here, come on. Let's go night-night. What? Are you gonna stand there forever? Get in the bed. Why are you... Oh... Are you maybe flustered? You just stuttered. You are flustered. Just the thought of being in bed with me gets you flustered, Come on, get it. What do you mean, no? Fine, if you prefer sleeping on the floor or alone in your bed, then fine by me, I guess. Stop fidgeting and just get in here. Finally, you're so stubborn sometimes. Now, close your eyes. I'm not going anywhere, okay? I'm not going anywhere, so you can go to sleep peacefully. I'll be here when you wake up, alright? Sweet dreams.